how you doing today, guys? I have review of free products that you can get from pinchme.com. Pinchme.com is the website where you can get free stuff. I'm not kidding, you can get free stuff, free makeup, free skincare products, lifestyle, nutrition, protein bars, anything related to beauty, lifestyle, you can get in this box. You just have to go to their website, sign up, leave the all information about your life and what do you like, blah 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 blah. You sign up and then once a month you receive free samples. Is that easy? That's super easy. So they contacted me to ask to review about this box. Usually I do not review things that I don't think is worth or is helpful for my audience, for my subscribers, but free stuff, amazing. You get free stuff, why not, right? I signed up for pinchme.com a year ago, and when I don't forget actually to get to the Tuesday samples, they have once a month Tuesday samples, and basically sign up and blah 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 blah, then you can get free samples. So I got already like 3 or 4 times, not this box. I remember shampoo, I got shower gel, I got nail polish, lipstick, I have lip gloss, concealer, pencils. I have like a lot of stuff from Pinch Me without even, you know, them contacting me. So now I want to open, guys, and I want to show you what is in my box. I already looked a little bit like sneak peek, you know. So this is what it is, and welcome. We are thrilled to have you on board. So basically you have to become pincher, then pick your samples and then give us feedback. Yeah, so once you receive your samples, you have to try it, and then after you have to review it. Once you review it, you are able to get free samples for the next time and for the next time and for the next time. This is how they have information and track on you, and yeah, how the next time if you're not gonna leave a review, they probably not gonna send you free samples. So first thing what I got, guys, whoo, this is Olay Total Effects Whip Ultimate Active Moisturizer Light as Air Finish. Never tried Olay, but I know that Olay, if you compare all drugstore, Olay is the highest, the best kind of drugstore brand for skincare. I heard this from dermatologists. So if you need something affordable, I think Olay is the best that you can get. It's nice, beautiful jar, plastic, and I never tried Olay and I want to see. Ooh. Ah, open! How to open? It's so stuck. I cannot open. I'm not kidding you guys. I'm gonna break my nails. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, definitely smell it perfume. You know, guys, my opinion about perfume. Smells really like perfume, very a lot perfume. It's okay, I'll give a try. I'm just very skeptical about perfumes in the skincare, and it's definitely with perfume. Fragrance, yeah, I'm telling you guys, this is fragrance. Like, ingredients are amazing, but the fragrance with vitamin B3, pro vitamin B5, vitamin E, vitamin C, green tea, the ingredients looks amazing, but the one thing that I don't like is fragrance. I mean, it smells so good, but fragrance is really, I don't like smelling things, like fragrance things irritate skin. So, and then I have, what is this? What is this? Hydrating Argan Hair Mask. Deep conditioning hydration for softer, silkier, healthier looking hair. Gives hair a silky texture, repairs damaged hair, moisturizes dry hair, gives hair a radiant shine. The brand is Arvazalia Professional Series. Ooh. Perfume again. What is wrong with me and perfume? I hate perfume, but yeah, free hair mask. Do you guys mind about free stuff that has perfume? I don't. And then I have some sort of like snacks, I believe. This is Think Thin Protein Probiotics Plant. Okay, this is protein for me. Nice, so cool. Then I have Nut Thins. This is mini Nut Thins, hint of sea salt, low sodium choice. Okay, free stuff. Let me check, guys. Let me try. Oh my god. Tastes so good. Wow. Wow. Nut Thins, hint of sea salt, almond rice, cracker snacks. Tastes good. Love it. And I have left over here 3 snacks. This is 3 free snack bars, I believe. Let me read what this. This is protein bar. 2 egg whites, 4 almonds, cashews, 1 date, no bad stuff. No bad stuff, really good. 2 egg whites, almonds, cashews, date, no bad stuff. Let me try this one. Okay. Ingredients: egg whites, almonds, cashews, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, natural strawberry flavor, natural raspberry flavor, natural flavor. Seems good. Oh my god, got on my day. This, you guys. It's so weird to make video and eat in the front of camera. I don't like it, but it tastes so freaking good. It tastes so good. Chocolate chip. Chocolate chip. So good. Chocolate chip good too. This is apple cinnamon raisin. Cinnamon. Love it. Guys, everything is free. If you don't know about Pinch Me, go to the website, sign up. You're gonna get free samples. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. That's it guys for today. Sorry. Thank you so much for watching. My mouth is full of Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my god.